Imagine walking into the store, craving a banana. Easy, right? Cheap, tasty, healthy. But what if I told you that little yellow fruit has the power to crash the economy? Sounds bananas. Because it is. Today we're going to peel back the truth about how one fruit can explain inflation, supply chains, and even global trade. Spoiler: it's not just about potassium.
Bananas are the world's most popular fruit. Seriously, more than apples, oranges, or mangoes. They're cheap, grown in tropical countries, and shipped to millions of grocery stores every day. People buy them without thinking twice. But here's the kicker. Because bananas are so basic and essential, when their price moves, even a little, it reveals cracks in the economy. It's like bananas are the economy's canary in the coal mine. When the price of bananas spikes, something bigger is usually wrong.
Let's talk logistics. A banana's journey is insane. Grown in Latin America, harvested green, shipped across oceans in refrigerated containers, trucked to distribution centers, and finally placed in your local supermarket. That's thousands of miles. For a fruit you buy for less than $1 a pound. Now imagine something disrupts that supply chain. Fuel prices rise, shipping containers get stuck at ports, or extreme weather wipes out a harvest. Suddenly, that cheap banana costs way more. And when the banana's price jumps, it's a sign your other groceries aren't far behind.
Here's where it gets juicy. Bananas are considered a staple product in many economies. When staples rise in price, inflation follows. Economists even track bananas as an informal inflation indicator. Why? Because unlike luxury goods, people don't stop buying bananas when money is tight. So when bananas go from 30 cents to 60 cents each, that's not just fruit inflation. That's everyday life inflation. And it hits everyone, from students to billionaires.
But wait, there's more. Bananas aren't just fragile in terms of economics. They're fragile biologically. Almost every banana you've ever eaten is the Cavendish variety. A clone, genetically identical. If disease wipes out Cavendish crops, and it has before, global banana production nosedives. That means supply shrinks, prices skyrocket, and suddenly your banana bread costs as much as Starbucks stock.
This isn't hypothetical. In the 1970s, a banana disease wiped out major crops, leading to shortages and price hikes. More recently, in 2021, shipping backlogs made bananas more expensive and harder to find in many countries. Each time, the humble banana became a headline story. Because when bananas are in trouble, the economy is usually in trouble too.
Bananas are just one fruit, but they represent how interconnected the economy is. If one crop can reveal so much about inflation, shipping, and global trade, imagine what other everyday products are silently screaming warnings. Coffee, gasoline, toilet paper. The truth is, economies are fragile webs. Break one strand, and the whole thing starts wobbling.
So next time you peel a banana, remember, you're not just eating a fruit. You're holding a mini economics lesson in your hand. It's a snack, it's breakfast, it's dessert. And it might just be the thing that tells us when the economy is about to crash.
If you learned something today, or if you just like bananas, smash that like button, subscribe to Econolocast, and drop a comment. Which food do you think could crash the economy next? See you in the next video.